Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting by opening the browser you use every day. This matters because menus differ. Once open, sign into your browser profile if you want the change synced. This saves time later. Next, navigate to Google.com so the exact URL is loaded and cached. Make sure to keep the window visible. You'll use that tab to set the home page. If you're on a shared computer, decide whether this change should apply to your profile only. You'll now change the home page in Settings. The location varies, so look for Home Page or on Startup. Once there, choose the option to open a specific page or set a home page. Type or paste https://www.google.com into the field. This ensures the exact page loads. Make sure to click Save, Apply, or Close Settings to confirm. Some browsers apply changes immediately. If you set it for Startup and also Pin tabs, verify both behaviors so Google opens when you expect. Finish by restarting the browser, then press the Home button or Reopen to confirm Google loads. This test shows the change took effect. If it doesn't, make sure no extension or malware is forcing a different page. Disable extensions one by one to identify the culprit. Also check browser policies on managed devices. Enterprise settings can block changes, so contact your administrator if needed. If problems persist, clear cache and retry. Sometimes a stale setting prevents the new homepage from applying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.